Hi guys, today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial for beginners in Mac OS. So, you've just got your new Mac and you have no clue how to use it. Fine. So what we're going to do is, first, you have just plugged in your USB to your computer, which I've just done. So let's see. It shows in Finder. It's showing on my desktop, but when you plug it in, it's not showing on the desktop, but maybe you want it to. My hard drive is over here. How do I get it there? Okay, easy step. Click on your main menu, just on your home screen anyway, so you've got the Finder bar at the top. Press on Finder. Press on Preferences. Press on General. Now it says show these items on your desktop. So hard disk, if I untick hard disk, my hard disk disappears. If I press on it, it's there. Start on disk means whenever I plug in a USB hard drive, it will show CDs, DVDs and iPods. And connected servers. So whichever you want, select. Next. Whenever you empty the trash, it will always ask you a message, do you want to empty the trash? Maybe you don't want that message to pop up. So you can just go to Advanced tab, show warning before emptying trash and untick it. Sidebar. So go to your Finder window. If you haven't guessed that by now, but Finder is your main thing where you can look up for everything. Downloads, music, applications, movies, music, anyway. Now you can choose what you want to appear in the Finder. I don't want my documents to show, I do want. And so on. That is the first thing. Next. Maybe you want to remove something from your dock. How do I do it? A few ways. Number one, you can right click on it, options, remove from dock. The easier way is hold down on it, left click, drag up, please, and let go, and it's done. How do you add it back to the dock? Go to Spotlight, or just find it basically. I'm just going to Spotlight and find the names. I want it back. I'm going to take it, drag it back in. Let's do it from my application. Spotlight doesn't work, sorry. Applications, notes, applications, take it, drop in. Next, on Windows, how did you rename a folder? You would right click on it and you'd get a rename folder here. Now, there's no rename folder. How do you rename your folder? Two ways. Number one is right click. You can either use 2 fingers or 1 finger, depends how you set it up, which I'll show you next how to. Get info. Name an extension, you might have to make it bigger or smaller, name what you want. Or number 2 is press on the folder you want once, press your enter key, now you can type. Another way is press once on it, go to the words, pressing it once, there you go again. That's how you can rename a folder. Number 2. Now if you want to change how your mouse clicks, so you figure out about 2 fingers you have to right click. Go to System Preferences. Now, trackpad. Secondary click. Select on the arrow. Click in bottom right corner. Click or tap with 2 fingers. Click in bottom left corner. Click the one you want. Close it, and you've just set it up. How to connect to a Wi-Fi network. You should have your Wi-Fi icon over here. Choose the Wi-Fi icon that you want. It'll ask for your password if necessary. Then you will connect to Wi-Fi. The built-in browser is called Safari. Provided by Apple. Fast, speedy. All you have to do is open up Safari and you're in. How to add a password to a user. System preferences, we'll do it. Users and groups. I have to unlock it because I've already set a password. So I unlock it so I can make changes. Now then you would get an option here saying create new password. Create a new user, same thing, press new user. Select the account you want, full name. You can use iCloud, account name, create user, and you're done. Next, go to the App Store if you want. App Store is where you can download all your apps for your Mac. You can also download from your browser. App Store is another place where you can get your stuff from. Not everything is on it. If you want Chrome, you have to go to google.com/Chrome. By your App Store, you can get games, business apps, everything, loads of business developer tools. So if you're a developer, you download maybe Xcode to write iOS apps. Next, how to empty your trash. Go to your trash. Nothing's in my trash, so fine, let's go to my trash. Open up my Microsoft Word. You do have to pay for Microsoft Word. You can buy that from Microsoft. Right, so save that. Save. Drag it, I'll just put it into trash, really just like that. Empty trash. And then use it, it's just for me, I've got open Microsoft Word open, so I can't empty my trash. Empty trash. Right, that's how you empty out your trash. How much memory is left on your hard drive? We'll do it this way. Search, disk, utility. Macintosh HD, you don't want that one. You want the second one. Capacity 119.43 GB. Available 58.24 GB. Used 61.19 GB. That is how you can tell how much memory left on your hard drive. Next, to customize your dock, you're going to want to go to System Preferences. This is System Preferences like the control panel. If you've just switched over from Windows, that's your control panel, System Preferences. Go to your dock. You can make this small with a bit bigger, smaller. Magnification. So, when I move my mouse on my dock, it magnifies it. You can change the position on the right, on the left, or on the bottom. I can have a scale effect or genie effect. That's your dock. Next, for automatic brightness, go to Display Settings and System Preferences. So, brightness, automatically adjust brightness, so automatically adjust brightness according to the sunlight it detects. How to add a printer to your Mac. So, if it's a wireless printer, printers and scanners, or if it's a USB printer. You don't want to press New. Either you can find it in the list, then select it, then you'll press Add. If you want to search for it through an IP printer, just type in the IP address, it will automatically try to find a driver, then you'll pop up over here, 2.2.1, then I can name it to printer in press Add and it will install it. That's how you can add a printer to your network. Sharing. So if you want your computer to appear on the network, go to sharing. File sharing is turned on. People will be able to find you on the network by searching for David MacBook Air. I can do printer sharing, so I can share my printer, user sharing, internet sharing, and so on. To change the date and time. In System Preferences again, date and time. And that is your basic Mac OS X for beginners tutorial. So if you have any questions, please comment, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.